He spent his whole life being too young to live a life that's in his dreams. At night he lies awake and he wonders, why can't that be me? But then his life is filled with all these good intentions. He's forced to live a life he'd rather not mention right now. But just before he says goodnight, he looks up with a little smile at me, and he says, if I could be like that, well, I would give anything just to live one day, yeah, in those shoes. If I could be like that, what would I do? No, what would I do? Yeah. She spends her days up in the North Parks, watching the people as they pass. Well, all she wants is just a little piece of this dream. Is that too much to ask? With a safe home in a warm bed on a quiet little street, and all she wants is just that something to hold on to. That's all she needs. Yeah, if I could be like that, well, I would give anything just to live one day, yeah, in those shoes. If I could be like that, what would I do? Oh, what would I do? Yeah.